it's Natasha Antonioni, your realtor and designer, here with a quick update for you potential home buyers out there. 2024 is shaping up to be quite the year. Lawrence Yoon from the National Association of Realtors predicts that mortgage loan interest rates might settle at 6% soon, but watch out for a potential supply issue as changing circumstances could release pent-up housing. This spring, more homes could hit the market as families upgrade and retirees downsize. And for those waiting for lower rates, remember, homeowners build wealth over time. Jerome Powell warns that market dynamics will affect interest rates. Economists anticipate multiple rate cuts in 2024. Powell predicts a positive outlook over the next 3 years, with declining rates starting at 4.6% in 2024. Keep an eye on the Federal Reserve's first 2024 meeting at the end of January for more insights. If you're ready to make a move, reach out to me for guidance. And if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button below. Natasha Antonioni signing off. Happy house hunting in 2024. We'll see you soon. Bye.